Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get Lee to help me install the strut brace. It's a Greddy strut brace. It's still in good condition, but I throw that on. Teach Lee a little bit about working on cars and stuff, so we'll get to it. Push this button. Alright, push the button, the trigger. Pull it hard. There go one. Pull it again. Hold up. Alright, go ahead. There you go.
That's easy.
And then we go to the other side.
See, is that?
Alright. Now the bolts are right here. See it? Hold up, Lee.
Hold on, Lee.
There you go. There you go.
Next.
Hold up. Go ahead. There you go.
Go ahead.
Hold up. Hold up. Let me get the extension. Alright. Alright, go ahead now, Lee. Yep. Then we go put the strut bar on.
Lee, do you know what you're working on?
A car.
What kind of car?
Aristo.
There you go.
What is that?
Now, line it up with the bolts.
Okay.
You see the hole?
Good job, honey.
What is that supposed to do?
There we go. Now we go put the, you want to screw the bolts on?
Yeah.
She wants to know what that does.
Basically, so your car can have better handling. It can handle better, turn better. Yeah. There you go. You go tighten it with the impact. Put that last one on that one. The impact will tighten it the rest of the way. Then you do that one back here. Then we go to the other side.
All right, you good, Lee.
Then you get the other bolt. The impact will tighten it down the rest of the way. I'll help you with that one. I'll get that one. Let's see. Yeah, that one back there.
Last one, last time.
Now you put the last one on. Alright, now we go back to the impact.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
I'll let you know when to pull it. Now go ahead. There we go.
That is so pretty.
There we go.
That's scary.
Up. Now do it. There we go.
Good
Now
job,
Now we
baby.
go to the other side.
All right, go ahead.
Should we do it?
Yeah. There we go. There we go. You check. There we go.
And that all?
Still recording.
Bye bye.
You have fun?
Yes.
Look at you, little mechanic.
Hey. Okay,
Oh,
now let's go on our walk.
You tell people, catch you next time.
Catch you next time.